Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this SONOFF Wi-Fi Smart LED RGB light strip. I have so many smart devices at my home, like smart bulbs, smart LED strip like this product, hubs, plugs, smart security alarms, cameras, smart AC unit and more. So many smart devices at the market. And I need the best app at the market and use all these products. eWeLink, one of the best app, download from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and the eWeLink keyboard. You can install it on a Windows or Mac OS. Together we're gonna find out how we can use this product from the eWeLink app and the eWeLink keyboard. Smart home journey. Pairing, setting, managing all your eWeLink support devices, everything in a single app. Create, build and manage scenes, if this, then that. Get the latest upgrades of eWeLink and inform you timely when your device's state changes. Explore more possibilities with the pilot features and subscribe to the plans to get access to all of your services. Discover all your exclusive features and leverage the experience to the next level. eWeLink Keyboard is a powerful new software of a eWeLink ecosystem that allows you to use keyboard circuits on your PC or Mac to trigger manual scene. Discover the power of eWeLink Keyboard, how to quickly run manual scene. Install eWeLink app, open the app to register for email account, follow the instruction to pair your eWeLink support devices. You can create manual scenes and specified actions for devices, turn on, turn off, adjust brightness and more. And you are all set. Not only can you tap to control manual scene on a smartphone, but also on a PC and Mac, and control all your smart devices. Well guys, nice all that. Let's move on for unboxing, find out more about this product, install it to my network, to the eWeLink app and keyboard, and find out the best settings and options from the app. Light up a colorful life. Choose one of your favorite color, up to 16 million colors. Choose one of the 21 recommended scene or create your favorite scene. Control it from Google or Alexa. Works with IFTTT, works with T-Mall Genie. You can Bluetooth control it. It is an RGB. Choose your music reactive mode. And because it has a microphone, it changes colors by just listening to music. You can create a schedule, timer, and you can install it anywhere, at the back of your TV, at any furniture, at your office, at your store, at your bedroom, kitchen, wherever you want, and just enjoy this colorful lighting effects. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out how we can use this product. Download the eWeLink app, install it to my network and see how it works from the eWeLink app, the eWeLink keyboard. Nothing else at the box. Well, nice unboxing experience, I can say. Definitely well packaged. And we've got some instructions how we can use the product. But stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. USA adapter, UK adapter, okay, included. I will use the Euro adapter. Just press, rotate, and it locks. And it is 12 volt, 2 amp, 24 watt power consumption. And the cable, it is about 1.2 meters. And then we've got the controller, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth supported, not 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It is not waterproof. DC 5 to 12 volt power input only. Keeps away from children. Okay. And there is the sensor if you want to use the remote control. We can see all the buttons, on, off, increasing, decreasing brightness, RGB button, W button, flash, strobe, fade, smooth, and some already pre-installed colors at the remote control. Pull this and enable the remote control. It has a CR2032 battery inside. And there's the RGB IP65 waterproof. It is the RGB strip, and you can cut every 3 LEDs. You can see this copper inside. GRB it says here, 12 volt. Take your scissor and cut the correct length you want in the place you want to install it. Definitely I can say it has a good quality, the product. The RGB strip, I like it. I like the black, definitely. I like when the RGB strips, they've got black at the background. The LEDs is 50-50, yep. And we can see, and the double tape adhesive at the back. There's the connection that goes here. Just press inside these 4 metal pins. And that was all. Well, let's make the connections. Power goes here. Perfect. Let's plug it in. And it turns on red. eWeLink up. And there it is. TechGuru Andrew, it is offline. This is the eWeLink keyboard at my desktop. It is off my desktop. That's why we can see this offline. I will show you later that. Connect Amazon Alexa says here. Okay. Add a device. Quick pairing available for eWeLink support devices. Or you can choose scan your QR code, sound pairing, Bluetooth pairing, remote control, link accounts. I have linked my Google Home. You can choose Alexa, Philips Hue, Smart Things. Choose Alexa, link with Amazon Alexa, link, account, link it. And there it is, your eWeLink Smart Home skill, now link it with Alexa. Let's go back. I will choose Bluetooth pairing. To enable the pairing mode at the device, we need to switch it off and on 3 times. Unplug the power adapter and plug it in again. And now we've got the pairing mode. The indicator is blinking correctly. Next. We're using the app, and there is the device connect.
I found L2 from the eWeLink Smart Home skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off L2.
Thank you, Alexa. You can rename the device. Add the room, living room, bedroom, other rooms. Done. Choose the LED strip, Bluetooth connecting. Connect your device to a Wi-Fi network, connect. You need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi router and save. And that was all. You can increase the brightness, decrease the brightness. %. Choose your favorite color. Slide with your fingers here. I like it, so many colors, beautiful. You can choose one of the save it colors. You can delete, add other colors here. Color temp. You can choose the color temperature, sliding with your finger, again adjusting the brightness. Pre-save it some of the color temperature. You can add more. white, 10%, 50%, 100%, 73%, you can add. You can delete, 100%, add it. You can schedule, add a schedule, you can choose the time, the minutes, repeat once, choose the days of the week, add action on or off, and save. Timer, you can add a timer, you can choose hours, minutes, add action, off, on, and save. Again, color temp, color. Now let's go settings. You can rename the device, current version, voice assistant, assign location, you can choose. You can share with eWeLink users, share via WhatsApp, create a group, Wi-Fi settings, you can choose your Wi-Fi network, set wiring diagram. If the color pattern are not correct, you can set a diagram from here. Manufacturer, model, device ID, firmware name, okay, and you can delete the device. And you can choose the scene, reading, work, quick, ocean, candle, moonlight. You can adjust the brightness from here, adjust the speed, night, the same for all scenes, vibrant, laser, sunshine, so many scenes, passion, sunset. And DIY, you can create your own scene, breathe, choose the colors, the brightness, you can choose the brightness you want, the speed, and save. Name is required, okay, tech for now, save. And you can choose your own scene. I like it. It's beautiful, has a beautiful colors. Very easy to use this eWeLink app and manage all the settings and the options for your product. And music, you can choose a classic, soft, sensitivity you can adjust, dynamic, disco. And the LED goes with the rhythm of the music. I like it. Nice. Scene again. I love my DIY. Okay, now let's check and the eWeLink keyboard. And there is the eWeLink keyboard. Got it. And we've got here the circuit. You can create a manual scenes as much as you want. You can delete the scenes. Set the keyboard circuit on eWeLink keyboard, link manual scene in an eWeLink app, press keyboard circuit to trigger your scene. From the keyboard, just choose what you want. And that was all, created the circuit. By pressing Ctrl T or R, you can trigger any scene. And of course you can see at my smartphone, there is everything, link a manual scene, no manual scene yet, and of course you can add device. If this triggers, tap to perform, then that action, add smart device, you can choose your smart device. You can choose delay, minutes, seconds, and save. At this moment we don't have any device compatible with these scenes. And you can show in current home. Confirm. So easy. And then by just pressing with your keyboard at your desktop, you can control any scene. Well guys, that was all about this eWeLink app from iOS or Google Play Store and the eWeLink keyboard. If you want to find out more about this app, you can check down below to the description. Well guys, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.